One objective of the Assault Support Tactics 1 evolution is to integrate supporting arms by which the Marines of the Air Officer Department will provide fire support coordination with the Artillery Marines of Gulf Battery, 2nd Battalion, 11th Marine Regiment, utilizing the M777 Alpha II howitzer weapon system. The main objective of Gulf Battery is to provide suppressive fire with the use of 155mm projectiles. The battery consists of multiple gun sections, each controlled by a section chief who is responsible for the overall safety of the howitzer and his Marines. It takes multiple Marines, each with specific roles, to run the gun section. The gunner puts deflection for the mission they receive from the fire direction control. The A gunner operates the quadrant, which moves the gun up or down. The ammo team consists of 3 Marines. One is responsible for prepping the powder charge used for firing the gun. The remaining 2 Marines are responsible for selecting the proper projectile to be loaded into the gun. The number 2 man places the respectful charge into the barrel of the gun and closes the breech before firing. The number 1 man attaches the 6-foot lanyard to the lever, and only on the section chief's command will he fire the weapon.
Stand by! Get down!
Being an artillery marine can be a rigorous and stressful job, which requires a lot of fast-paced physical movement and knowing your job well. There is a number of safety hazards that you have to be able to look out for, and being in the right mindset will help you accomplish the mission.